Good morning, everybody. I'm sitting here having a laugh at myself as I'm setting up the video today. So we're down at the studio right now. I'm not at the Airstream again this morning because I've got the MacBook Pro sitting over here, and I'm doing some pretty massive uploads this morning. So I figured I'd come down and use the studio space that I seem to use about once a week. So right now, I'm uploading a whole new set of lectures for my X-Theme and WordPress for Beginners class on udemy.com. So not plugging that, but if you're ever interested in website building and you want to use WordPress and a theme that can really help you create something highly stylized, you might want to check out the class. This is part of my working from the Airstream thing. So I'm not at the Airstream right now. I'm actually in a different location. And there are times when you have to do that. If you're a full-time RVer and you're working from the road, sometimes the RV just doesn't work out. When I first started traveling in 2006 with my Airstream, and I spent the bulk of the year traveling around the country, I was traveling with other Airstreamers and other RVers as well, who were also doing the same thing. And you know, you'd pull into towns and see that there's a coffee shop with free Wi-Fi. You ran in there to get your work done. So it's not unusual, even if you're a full-time RVer who's working from their RV, that you're going to use other spaces to, better network connection, more room to spread out, more room to set up crazy microphone like this. So yeah, full-time RVers aren't always in their RV full-time. They go out and they utilize other services outside of their RV. In my case, this morning, so I'm uploading 16 new lectures, and they're all like half a gig each or larger. And even with my smartphone and my portable Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi at the park, I sometimes want something more consistent, because there are days when the park Wi-Fi is not working great. And the park that I'm at, Pointer Rocks RV Campground, they usually have pretty good Wi-Fi. With all of the crazy monsoonal storms that we've had recently, guess what? The Wi-Fi hasn't been so great. They're having to reset things. Maybe something's gotten damaged by lightning. You just don't know. But so that's why I'm down here at the studio today. So I figured I'd bring you down and talk about the fact that even if you're working full-time from your RV, you aren't necessarily always doing this from the RV. So in other news, monsoon season has started out with a bang. Things are looking really great around here for getting some water into the area. Taking a drive-by and taking a look at Watson Lake, it hasn't started filling up yet, so we're early into the monsoon season, and we're just hoping for a lot more rain to help deal with the long-term drought that's been going on here in Arizona. So, of course, I'll flash up a couple pictures from Watson Lake, and you can still see how low the water level is right now. And with luck, we'll see that water level come up this year. So, monsoon season's awesome. It's a great time of year. So, during June, I was running the air conditioner a lot. And it's still warm here, but like yesterday's downpour that we got was super cold rain. I mean, it just cooled everything off. I turned the air conditioner off in the Airstream, and I actually enjoyed some really comfortable temperatures yesterday afternoon and last night. So the air conditioner has not been running overnight, which it usually does during the summer season. So we've been getting a cooling trend with the start of monsoons, which is absolutely awesome. Saves on electric use, and also I don't have to deal with the white noise in the Airstream all the time. So that's another thing. Doing like this kind of work, doing video recording, doing filming, doing the editing is super tough in a 25-foot Airstream, because normally where I'm sitting with my desk, the air conditioner is directly above me. So you get that buzzing along. And while there's air conditioning running in here in the studio this morning, I'm not located super close to where it's blowing from, so it's much easier to record down here. So that's part of the reason why I came down here this morning to do the work. But with the monsoons going on, I'm having a great time with the cooler temperatures, with enjoying seeing the storms, and also with a much lower pollen count. So I got to tell you, from Memorial Day weekend to the end of June, I was not doing great The allergies, turns out that I had a severe sinus infection, probably because of the allergies as well, which also led to some of the problems with the vision in my right eye, which is now pretty well normal. We did the MRI, I got the information about the sinus infection, we're addressing it, and I'm feeling a heck of a lot better. May felt like a really lost month to me. So, thank you, monsoon season, for getting rid of some of that pollen and knocking the pollen down. It's been awesome. So, feeling a lot better and enjoying the Airstream a lot more again. All right, with all of that, we're going to cut over to some images, and I've already been showing you some images, but some more images from the recent monsoons, from Watson Lake, and just looking around the full-time RV living lifestyle.